Welcome back to my channel. How you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up and girl put them lashes on. Hey y'all, it's Justus and I'm back with another video. I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited because I'm doing an unboxing for y'all. So if you're new, thank you for coming to check out the unboxing, but make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can see all the other things that I have coming, and go check out some of the old stuff. Baby, I've been working, I've been here. What's up, what's poppin'? If you're returning, then I love you, baby, for being loyal. You know what I'm saying? And because you're loyal, I got some stuff coming for you. But either way, we're gonna get started on this unboxing that I'm so excited for, because y'all, I have not been unboxing my stuff when I've been getting it. Like, I probably got this package 2 months ago, and I'm like, well, I got a lot more stuff. I still got one more packages coming, but I am not gonna wait till August, because it says it's not gonna come to August, because I accidentally ordered something and it's stuck in customs, and I was like, why I didn't think of that? So yeah, here we are. I've been putting them under my kitchen cabinet, and my kitchen cabinet got full. So then I couldn't put them under my kitchen cabinet, and they were just sitting on the floor. So now it's time to unbox them. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so my first package is from TKB Trading. It did take a long time to get here because of this, what's going on. They told you it was going to take a long time, and they don't have like the quickest shipping in the first place. So I got some more glitter. This is the luminosity. It's like the holographic glitter. And then I just got some oils because I wanted to try them out just to see, you know, I just like to play with colors before I do other stuff. So, which I really can make my own oils. I just like to play around with stuff, and that's the easiest way for me to do it. Okay, so then I got this next package. I did open these packages because I want the video to go quickly, so yeah. And this is some of these little containers. So these little containers you can use for a lot of different things. I don't know, maybe you could put like lip scrubs in it, but I don't know if it's big enough. You can put lip gloss in them. You can put chunky glitters. If you make chunky glitters, you can put them in here. So it's a lot of different things that you could do with these. And then what we got here. So these are these are the pipettes, and you would cut the end and you would put it on your syringe so that you can like fit it into your lip gloss tube and get all the way to the bottom, so you can like fill it and make it look professional and not have like the little edges not in there and all that. You do lip gloss, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna leave that one out because I done touched it and stuff, because I'm touching stuff. What's next? So then I got this. Can you see me? So I'm gonna like squat down a little bit. But so yeah, then I got lip gloss base. It's a little weight to it. And I bought these trying out this new company, ABA Cosmetics, and it came in a pretty good time. It took about a week. I mean, this cute little packaging, and she wrote thank you on here, and yeah, so I like it. Lip gloss base, y'all. And then okay, so this is the next package, and I got some big old syringes, some huge syringes, so you don't have to constantly keep filling your syringes. Get a bigger syringe. And then I got these boxes. I got these boxes that fold into a box so that I can ship out in these boxes. So I think that that's a good idea. You'll be seeing me doing packaging then, don't break it, girl. You break your bite. Okay, so next I have a lot of syringes, and this one, I bought even more syringes. And then I have some lip gloss tubes. These are 10 millimeter lip gloss tubes. These are much bigger than what I was using. Well, not much, you know, but I was using 8 milliliters, so these are 10 milliliters. And then I have some of these, so I'm about to start filling these for you guys. This is my new project that I'm working on, so just get ready for that. Coming soon to a store near you called More Period Poo. I'm about to start wholesaling, and I am so excited that my business is finally at that point. Oh my goodness. Somebody asked me about it, like, I really want to say it was probably December or January. I really think it was last year. It had to be like December or November. I mean, it was a long time ago. And I was like, but you ever started like wholesaling? And I'm like, I don't know. And it took me a minute to like be like, could I do that? Like, could I do that? And I'm like, yes, I could do that. And then this is the next package. So I have some sprinkle paper in gray and in gold. And I have some of these little buckets. I don't really even know 100% what I'm gonna do with these buckets. I bought them and then I was like, wait, was those in my cart? I have buckets. Okay. Pause. I found some more packages, so I was editing. Need to go ahead and put these packages on here too for you. And that was some more of the pouches for the lip gloss, and more pouches for the lip gloss. And what else do we have? Oh, I was trying out some lip gloss tubes. The reviews are iffy, so I wanted to try them out. So I got them in white. What else I got? What else I got? Oh, here we go. Some in the silver as well. So yeah, we got it in silver. And then this was another package that, you guys, I got so many packages and I still don't have everything. So yeah, this is some more lip gloss tubes, but this is the 8 milliliter tube. So yeah, back to your regular scheduled program. And then I have these. Okay, so sis, tea is, y'all was trying to come for me. But little did y'all know, you know what I'm saying, everybody was trying to come for me on them pink lip gloss. Little did y'all know, that was just me trying out the color to see if I could make the color again on my own. And I can. And so now I will be selling the lip liquid that I made to get my lip glosses, period poo. So remember earlier in the video when I opened up the TKP trading and I was looking, I'm like, I'm gonna see what I like, if I like these colors, because if I like how their color look, then I will find a way to make their color. It's not hard, you just match the colors, you feel me? Because TKP trading be tripping, and I know that for a fact. Like they had, like, you had to, I only wanted one of those colors to be exact. And they had it where it was like, oh, you have to buy this much of a, to be able to get shipping and all this stuff. And I'm like, so that's how I end up getting two colors and some shimmers and all type of stuff that I wasn't trying to get, but whatever. So yeah, you guys, that is the tea today. So yeah, I'm about to start wholesaling and I am so excited. I am going to take you guys on a journey with me because I have realized there are other people that are wholesaling, just like there were other people that made lip gloss. So this is my platform to be able to share things with you, and that's what I'm going to do. So you guys will be on a journey of me mixing things, of me filling things, of me organizing, packaging, shipping, you know, the whole 9 yards. I'm going to have to revamp my website. And you guys are going to be there for the journey. You guys are going to be right there with me. I do try to post pretty often on my YouTube channel. If there's anything that you want to see, just let me know. I listen to my comments. I really do. Yes, I really do appreciate you guys for coming by, stopping by. You know how that dude used to be? Is it Mr. Rogers? And he used to be like putting his shoes on and his coat and all that. Like, where's my coat? Matter of fact, I'm gonna be ghetto. Somebody used to be like, won't you be my neighbor? Okay, video's over with. Thank you guys so much for coming. I do love each and every one of you guys. Make sure you hit the like button up so to let me know you like this video, so I know that you're watching, so I can make more like this. Make sure you subscribe so you can see everything that I have coming, baby. I always got a surprise for you, and I'm all about business. Yes, I love you guys. Make sure you keep your head up out there and stay blessed. How you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up and girl, put them lashes on.